Want to join the cryptocurrency revolution but need a safe way of buying or selling that is scam-free and convenient? A Byte Federal ATM is around the corner from you. You can buy a loaf of bread, Bitcoin, and other crypto in minutes. Here's how to do it in 7 easy steps. First, visit bytefederal.com/locations to find the Bitcoin ATM nearest you. Second, follow prompts to register a new account and utilize two-factor authorization on your smartphone. Third, provide ID by scanning either a driver's license or passport. Fourth, let the machine take your photo. In the 5th step, pull up your crypto wallet on your smartphone and scan the QR code. Next, feed cash into the machine. In the 7th and final step, type in your email or mobile number to get confirmation of the transaction. You're all set. Welcome, soldier. You have joined the revolution. To stay up to date on all things crypto, visit bytefederal.com.